Welcome back to Power of Inspiration. Today we are divine one of the most iconic self-help book of all times, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book has been guiding people toward success for 80 years and it's still as relevant today as it was when first published in 1937. Hill studied hundreds of successful people from Andrew Carnegie to Henry Ford and distilled their principle into a philosophy for success. So, let's break down the book powerful lesson into clear actionable steps you can use to reach your own goals. Desire, the foundation of desire. It all begins with desire, but Hills is clear that not just any desire will do, it has to be a burning, all consuming desire. Think about it as an obsession for your goal. According to Hills, if you truly want something, face setbacks and stay committed through tough times. He even suggests it's writing down exactly what you want, by when, and what you'll give in exchange for it. Define your goals, set a timeline, identify what you'll give in a return. Let's say you want to start your own business. Ask yourself, what sacrifice am I willing to make? It could be time, money, or certain comforts. Write this down and read it daily. When you align everything with your burning desire, you're programming your mind to stay focused on the goals. Faith. Believe it to achieve it. The next principle is faith, and Hills isn't talking about faith in a religious sense. He's talking about belief in your ability to succeed. Faith is a critical because our mind tends to attract what we focus on. If you believe in your ability to reach your goals, you will be more likely to make a choice that support your growth. Hills emphasize the power of affirmation, repeating positive statement to reprogram our subconscious. Example of affirmation: I am confident and capable of achieving my own business. Practicing these daily habits, a mindset of optimism and possibility, training your mind to expect success. Autosuggestion, training your mind. Hales introduced the concept autosuggestion, which is the act of feeding your minds with thought of success. This isn't about wishful thinking, it's about intentionally controlling what enters your mind. You can control your thoughts by using positive affirmation and visualizing success as if it's already happening. Specialized knowledge. Knowledge is a power. Hills say that knowledge is the only potential power. What matters more is a specialized knowledge or practical knowledge directly related to your goals. Think of this as a targeted skills set rather than general knowledge. If you are interested in real estate investing, it's not enough to know about general economics. You'll need specific knowledge or property values, market and financing. Imagination. Thinking creatively. Imagination is the ability to create ideas and see possibilities. Hills say there are two kinds of imagination: synthetic imagination, which rearrange existing ideas, and creative imagination, which types into something entirely new. Both types are useful in turning your desire into reality. Organized planning, turning dreams into action. A goal without a plan, just a wish. Hills argues that organized planning is where many fail. Once you know what you want, make a step by step plan to get there. Hills advise creating a mastermind group power who can afford advice, accountability, and support. Decision, mastering the art of quick decision. Successful people make decisions quickly and are so to change them. Why? Because they have a clarity that their dreams. To make a confident decision, Hills recommends training yourself to act swiftly on small decisions, which helps you gain confidence in a bigger ones. Persistence, staying power. Persistence might be the most important principle in the Think and Grow Rich. Hill's message is a clear: never give up. Obstacles are inventable, but it's the people who keep going, who refused to quit the success. Think of Thomas Edison, who failed over 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb. That is a persistence. If you found this principle helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and comment below with your biggest takeaway from the video. And remember, success isn't just about thinking, it's about putting in the work every single day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep growing and keep reaching for your dreams.